Hello, welcome back to my channel, my grace team. How are you guys doing? As for me, I am doing wonderful by the grace of God. Bonjour les amis, comment allez-vous? Je vous remercie d'avoir cliqué une fois encore sur mes vidéos. Merci beaucoup. J'espère que vous allez bien. Today, I am making this kitchen shenanigan dish. Is a swallow dish that we call in my country Togo. We call it Kobu Dessi. It's made out of palm oil and okra or jute leaf. It depends on what you want to use for it. Okay, so quickly let me show you what I have for these ingredients. This is my cow feet. I have this cow feet in my freezer for a while. I decided to use it, so it came into my mind to use it for this recipe. Okay, so I'm gonna season it. I already add some onion. I will go ahead and add some salt and my chicken bouillon, and I'll add my mixed seasoning. That's it. It's a mix of aniseed, garlic, onion, yes, and that's it. It is frozen, so I will add some water to this pot and I will cover it for 30 minutes. As we all know, cow feet does not cook fast, so for the first time I will let it boil for 30 minutes after adding the water, and after that, this is after 30 minutes. To fasten the process, I will go ahead, after mixing it, I will add my baking soda, just a pinch of it, just a pinch of it to fasten the cooking process. Okay, so yes, so now I will add a little bit more of water to it, and I will go ahead and cover it, let it boil for another 25 minutes. So while it's boiling, okay, here you go. It is done, as you guys can see here. When this meat is done, you will see that the meat or the skin is kind of separating itself from the bone. That's how you know the cow feet is done. Okay, so to this I'll add the rest of my ingredient, which I'll quickly introduce to you. Okay, so I have my banga oil here. It comes in a form of paste, we all know, and I add some boiled water to it to make this milk or whatever you guys can call it. Okay, so
palm oil or deku, it comes in a form of paste in a can. I add some hot water to it.
Some smoked shrimp, smoked herring, couple of smoked fish I have left in my freezer too. So I have this grounded tomato. Yeah, I have some grounded onion and garlic blend together, and of course I have some salt. I have my chicken bouillon. I have my garlic and ginger powder. Okay, now I'm adding my liquid palm oil or palm oil make. We call it deku, and I guess some people call it banga. Some people call it, I don't know. Let me just know say something else. Okay, so now I added my deku to the cow feet, and I'm adding my grounded fresh onion to it. I'll go ahead and add the onion and garlic blended, the one I blended I showed you guys earlier. I added to it, and now I'll go ahead and cover it, let it simmer. Okay, so after 10 minutes, pretty much is bubbling pretty good. Now I will go ahead and add my smoked herring and smoked shrimp to this boiling soup. I just like the smoky flavor in your banga soup. It is amazing. It's lovely with your banku or fufu. So now I'm adding my cut okra, blend it together, mix it well, and then after mixing this, guys, I'm already swallowing my spit. Oh my god, in this cold season, you need this kind of soup to have a good swallow. Oh man, to strengthen your immune system. Right? Okay, so now I'm adding my salt, and then I will be adding my chicken bouillon and the other ingredient, which is my garlic powder and my ginger powder, and that's what I just added, just a bit of each, and I'll go ahead and cover it, let it simmer. This is after 5 minutes. Pretty much the okra and everything is well blended to go together, well infused. Now I will add my chicken at the last position because the chicken is already well cooked, so I don't want to cook it any further. That's why I'm adding it at the last position. So guys, pretty much as we can see, my Kobu Dessi is done, pretty much done. But just for me, I will let it simmer for a couple more minutes to just have those banga oil floating on the top of it. I love it, and that's how I'll be taught. So meanwhile, I'm tasting my soup to see if it has enough salt or the other ingredients. So pretty much I am good to go. My soup is well seasoned, and now I'm adding my pepper, my Chinese pepper. They call it shishi pepper or okra pepper. So now I will be covering this, as I said, just for 2 minutes, and after that my banga soup, Dessi palm oil soup, is done, guys. As you can see, Yes, the oil is there. I love it. I love it. I cannot wait to add my banku, my ewokme, my emakme, whatever you want to use to eat this delicious soup. I prefer it with my ewokme. It helped me digest well. Ewokme is my cornmeal paste or maybe puree. I can say that. You can eat it with your semolina. It is good also. So thank you all for watching, guys. My soup is really delicious, smelling good around here. If you like it, try it. You will love it, guys. You will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you are not part of the team yet, don't forget to subscribe, hit the button. I love you, and I will see you guys later.